Let's fill out the Colorado Motorcycle Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. First, let's talk about the title. You'll need to provide the properly endorsed Colorado Certificate of Title and make sure the original title is actually signed by the owner listed on it, because an unsigned title won't work. Next, the seller's name matters more than you might think. A first initial with a last name is not acceptable. The seller or the seller's agent must use their full first name. On the bill of sale itself, you'll need to include the vehicle description. That means the year, the make, and the VIN. You'll also enter the purchase price and the date of the sale. Now, odometer disclosure. In Colorado, that applies to trailers that are not self-propelled. So, for a motorcycle, that specific requirement does not apply here. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.